Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing my husband's makeup. I struggled a little bit because he squints a lot and he's old, so he's got these wrinkles that hide perfectly good skin, and he's nervous because he's never let me do his makeup before, so hopefully you enjoyed the video anyway. A big thank you to Glow Up Beauty by Jen. She has been the first person to comment on like all of my videos lately, so thank you so much. I'm so sorry that I didn't mention you in the other video. I do really appreciate your guys' support. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next.
People want to see me do my makeup done.
Don't forget we're doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed for that. And let's just get into the video. Just like with the concealer, I was trying to hold his eyes open so I could lay the shadow down and get a nice even color with pigment, but it was so hard to get any kind of shadow on his eyes the way he just squinted for everything, so I did the best I could. right here, I was telling him to open his eyes and look up because his eyelashes were covering the space right below his lash line, and I couldn't get right in there by his waterline. I just couldn't get in, and anytime that I got him to open his eyes, he'd squint real hard, and then there was like pieces of skin that didn't get any coverage.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
here I was asking him to blink so I could get mascara on his lashes, and instead he would squint really hard, and I had mascara all over his bottom lash line. He was just a big disaster through the whole thing, but he's also super funny. It was cracking me up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know how I did on my husband's makeup. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.